Welcome back, hey homies. Welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified when we upload more videos. Now, it's a new Amazon store. We'll put the link in the description below. AJ, what does it have in there? It has 4 dinosaurs. It has screws and a screwdriver, and it says on this side that looks like a drill to me. It's upside down. That looks like a drill to me. Open it up and see what dinosaurs are inside. Whoa, it's a mystery. We'll never find out. Now we will, because of the box. Oh, look at all these screws, guys. This is so tiny. Dude, there's purple screws. Oh, there's the drill. It's the red dinosaur. I want to do the red dinosaur and the long one. This is the Triceratops. I found the drill. And this is a Bronchiosaurus. I think that's what it is. How am I going to get this open? Like this. No, how am I going to get this? Open it like a bag of chips.
Open it like a bag of chips.
There's a green dinosaur. I think this is a raptor, and it has screws in there too. Yeah, because it's one of the smallest raptors. This is another screwdriver, and the instructions to build.
Wait, there's 2 screwdrivers?
Yeah, there's 2. We're gonna start assembling our dinos.
2,000 years later.
So we got one put together, now we're gonna put the other ones again. We finished assembling the dinosaurs. This is a bronchiosaurus. This is it looks like a rhinoceros, but it's a comment down below. I already forgot the name of this dinosaur.
Rhinoceros.
No, that's an animal.
Yeah, it's a
With the
Triceratops.
Yeah, Triceratops.
And I've got the T-Rex and the tiniest raptors.
And this one has wheels at the bottom, so he can roll. But these wheels keep like roll. Those can roll too. Well, they slide, but this one has wheels at the bottom. See?
Okay, we're dragging it on.
So, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And remember, keep your chin up and never give up. Thanks for watching. Bye. Let's go play with these dinosaurs. Bye.